Today I'm going to show you how to filter out cards in Trello so you can see exactly what you need to see. Now, to filter all the cards within this board is very easy. Let's say you only want to see a certain level of cards here. Now, this could get very messy, but let's say you want to see everything that's due this week, or by a certain date, or by a certain client, or whatever other filter you can think of. Up on the top right hand side, you will see this icon. Click on that, it'll open up filters. Here, you can add in a keyword. Here, all of the cards that you will now be seeing will have this keyword in it. You can also filter out other things like members. So, who are the cards assigned to? Let's say that they're assigned to me. Let's see that no members are assigned. Maybe there's a card status here. Not marked as complete. Marked as complete. Looking at due dates. Due the next day. There we go. We got a card there. Overdue. What's overdue? Labels. What has this label? You can see here. What has this label? You can go down here. Activity. Activity in the last week. Activity in the last 2 days. And then you can click down over here and you can change how strong the filter power is. So any match would be any label or any member. And then the exact match will match all labels and all members. So depending on how you want to do that. So now you can go ahead and you can actually just view what you want to view underneath your own personal filters.